fish different holes when I'm Puerto Rocks. I played the motherfucking club. We ain't sweating pond. I drop the top when I'm on the dock. See different holes.
What's going on, guys? So obviously we are checking out this motor here for the sailboat, trying to get it running, trying to see if it got spark, trying to see if it's gonna crank up. So let's get to it.
And then the next thing you know,
So what part is this?
this is where the gas mixes into the float bowl and goes into the engine, make it go.
Okay.
See?
Let's see here.
You got that thing working yet? There you go.
Goes right in there.
Mm-hmm. Well, this is one of the newer, crappier ideas. The fuel pump's made onto the side of the carburetor instead of being separate.
Okay.
See? Now you look at me, say, this is driving me nuts. No, I'm just kidding. These old Mercuries didn't really get a whole lot better in the mid 80s. They just kind of knocked them out in a hurry. So
Just because they didn't want to improve on them?
I think it was a profit thing, you know. I mean, I haven't owned this particular model, so I can't speak yet, but we're going to start it up in a few minutes, see if it'll stay running. Caulking out when you're trying to go fishing is not, it doesn't help get fish in the boat. This is crazy discovery. And then you paddle to the fishing hole and you're too tired to pick up your fishing pole. So there we go. Ray wants to go? Put that in there. Okay, put this on here. Loosen that up. No, do you see the gas in that milk jug? Sitting around here.
Yeah.
This is we need the gas. And I'm thinking you might want to tie it right here. Bust out the milk jug. Put it right here. Put this through that. And this is a fuel system. Very expensive one. Set it down. Okay, now see, this will lift up. See, now you got to get a screwdriver or something like this, because it'll. You see what I mean? It'll come out.
Yeah.
We got to get it submerged. It's in the corner now, but still need to find a big stick or something to stick in here. See what I mean?
A clean one.
See, that's barely gonna fit. We need bigger. So really keep this pushed down. See,
This
that might work. Nope. Bam. You gotta have something bigger. Really gotta jam in there. Ah, that's too big. Boy. I was thinking screwdriver handle or something. This is too big too. That might work. Nope, you see? Boy, it's strong too.
What's up, Lily? Chilling.
Got it.
She like that. Get up, Lily.
This thing here If it starts up, you know what? You're gonna have to hold this up and make sure the hose is in the gas. Right now, I think it's gonna stay running for a while, but I don't know if it's gonna start. So here goes nothing. Uh-oh, look at this. See that squirt coming out of here?
Yeah.
That means that diaphragm's broken. Okay. That's not good. Okay. Choke it using the rag. Here we go. Fall everywhere. Nice, so I'll hook this plug wire up. Maybe it'll go. You want to hang on to that for a minute?
Gotcha.
If we have to slow it down, I'll tell you which way to turn it. Should have started by now. All right.
Trying to.
I think it's a spark thing. These are special plugs, see? You can smell the gas if it's there. What you do is you put it on the metal, anywhere on the block. Okay? Now you come over here, around here, and you see if you see a spark jumping out of the middle of it. Do you see that thing?
Yeah, I got spark.
You do?
Yeah.
You sure?
I seen the spark up.
Right there? That weird, huh? What was that pow?
Oh.
I think no gas is getting to the back of it. What do you call it?
Appreciate everybody who done like this video. Let's keep it going, baby.
Okay. Watch out.
So how long you been working with these sailboat motors?
Since I was 11.
Damn.
And they make them crappier. The newer they are, they're only designed to run 300 hours, and then you're supposed to throw them away or give them to somebody like me that actually will work on it till he figures out the problem.
Damn, boy.
Well, look at here. I just saw something that's really freaky. Look at this. See those? It looks like somebody sanded on it. Look at that. Is that crazy or what? All those lines?
Okay. Could be messing
That's
up the
not
spark.
acceptable.
Yeah. Gotta get a new one.
Now, this one here, that might have everything to do with it not working right.
Yeah, the other one's much more cleaner.
See, the only bonus is the time I pull this thing 700,000 times, it'll be the same as going to the gym. I won't have to go to the gym. Well, I was wrong. If it had a hot spark, it would have started, so I better check that spark again, I think. I got a spark problem.
Last time you only checked one.
Yeah, I took them both out though. Oh yeah, I see what you mean, spark-wise. Good point. Okay, let's see if we get down here this time. I put enough gas in it to run quite a while. Hang on to that. Now this gets like 100, 300 volts. Can you hang on to this wire for me instead of using the voltmeter?
No.
Okay. Just checking.
300 volts a little too much for me, player.
Come on, man.
Doctor.
Okay. Yeah, I think there's a coil underneath here bad that's making the spark weak.
Okay.
I've been checking it with the meter and stuff. So we'll see in a minute. It won't hurt. You see, this is the one we didn't check, right? This little short one. We checked the long wire because this one barely makes it, see? So you gotta make a different. Okay, this one here, check it for spark.
Okay.
Right there. I'm taking this one out. Won't have any compression.
Oh, okay. Let it spark on out, y'all.
Yeah, you want to take a peek?
Yeah.
I see it.
Is that? Yeah, I see it.
It should start.
So then
We
we
need
got
a little.
spark.
I might not have got enough gas in here.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Nope.
Yep.
The spark.
We don't know.
Don't know.
It's got a little coil on it. This thing here. You see this thing spinning around in there? It looks like a bowl. You see it right there turning?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's got magnets on each side, and they go past a coil of wires, and they shoot power down to that.
Mm-hmm.
And that's pretty easy to test. I started testing it this morning, and the numbers didn't make sense, but I'm not that good with that meter.
Mm-hmm.
So here goes nothing. That's why I like electric start.
Appreciate you guys tuning in, checking out these videos. You know it's hot out here in Florida, boy, but we got to get it, man. Appreciate y'all. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video right now. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel.